Hi, my name's Kaz from Jewellery and I'm going to show you how you can measure your ring size at home. You will need a piece of paper, some scissors, a tape measure or a ruler and some sellotape. So cut yourself a strip of paper and just pop a little bit of sellotape on the end. I want to find out which size that finger is. So just wrap that piece of paper around your finger, around the knuckle, the biggest part of your finger. Kind of snug, but not too tight because you want to be able to get that ring on and off. Okay, so now we've made a pretend ring with our piece of paper and we're going to cut it off. Okay, so I've just cut that off my finger, so let's just see what that measures. You can use a tape measure, a ruler, anything you've got at home. So that one is measuring 6 centimetres, so 60 millimetres. Let's just have a look at this ring size chart and see what size I am. So 60 millimetres, I offer my rings in US sizes. So the chunky rings come in 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So I'm probably not quite a 9, but given that these are chunky rings, I would recommend that you go up to your next size if you are in between sizes. So I reckon I'm a 9. So let's just see if any of these fit me. That's really quite tight, that's tiny. That one doesn't quite go on. That one's perfect. I can shake my hand, it doesn't come off, but it's really comfy. Let's see what ring size that one is. These are US sizes on my measuring stick, and that one, yeah, is measuring a size 9. Hope that's been helpful. Email me with any questions, kaz@gemlettuce.com. Thanks for watching. Bye.